welcome to yet another video here on Adventure Sean, where today we've made our way up north to Gateshead, not too far away from Newcastle upon Tyne, where we've come to see the Angel of the North. And here it is. It's a long walk though from where we are, so we've started off in the car park just over there. Me and Alex are here and we're going to trek all the way up. Are you ready for this big walk up to the Angel of the North?
I don't do exercise, so we'll give it a go.
Well, there it is. The path's just there and there it is. But here's a little look at the fact sheet for you here. It's an incredible structure just to see. Obviously, it's one of the most famous things in the country, really, especially like as a symbol for the north of England. And here's a little look at it on the back of a lorry just there. It's quite hard to see with my shadow. I'll try and stand to the side just there so you can see it. But lots of different facts on here, and I thought, well, let's just have a little stopover and see it whilst we're up here, really. There you go, look. Construction began in 1997 by Hartlepool Steel Fabricators Limited, Teesside. The sculpture was constructed from 3,153 individual steel pieces into 3 sections, the body and of course the 2 wings. There you go, and here's a few little facts about it. So the Angel of the North is seen by more than 1 person every second, 90,000 every day, and 33 million annually. Obviously, it's located next to a busy motorway, which is, I think, just behind those trees there. I've not actually been up to the Angel of the North before. I've just seen it from the motorway, and I remember seeing it on the right-hand side when I was coming down this way. But yeah, let's go and have a little look at the structure. That just gives you an idea on the foundations to it there, look. It's one of them things that I think personally in a lot of photos and things it looks a lot bigger than it actually is. It's just over 60 foot tall, I believe. It's got the wingspan of about 160 foot. I will have a look at the official specifications when we get up here. But yeah, long walk, Alex.
Tired already.
We're actually heading up here to do a few other things over on the main channel, Theme Park Worldwide. So make sure you go over there and check it out if you've not seen it, for all the different theme park videos. And there it is, the Angel of the North. Free parking, the car park, like I say, located just there. You can pull up, no need to pay for your parking, and yeah, there it is. It's a very majestic structure. It kind of, I think it's a bit freaky, the way it is. It just, like when you're standing in front of it here, when you're standing in front of it, I just think it's a bit spooky, I think. It's a bit weird. I don't know if anybody else thinks that.
As well. I mean, I know it's early on in the day, but...
Yeah, I don't know. For me, I just find it a bit of a freaky structure. I really like it, though. A lot of people probably wondering what the purpose of it is if you've not seen it before and not really heard anything about it. But it's no sort of... It's not like an aerial mast or anything like that. It's literally just for an art purpose,
you know,
this
when
one.
You used to get the magazines, the first issue is $1.99 and the others were like £27 a week.
Yeah, yeah.
To build your own like sculpture out of
yeah, it's a bit like that.
It's like that, isn't it? But it's nice. I like it.
Yeah, I like it. I mean, it looks a lot bigger from down at this angle, doesn't it? From a side view, it doesn't look, you know, that impressive, really. But when you come down here, I can imagine if we stand down here and have a little photo, and which you've probably seen already because that'll be the thumbnail for this video. But yeah, it's just a nice thing to come and see whilst we're up in the area. We're actually going to the Hoppings Fair, which has got a lot of history to it actually, in Newcastle, and we're doing a full vlog from there before tomorrow making our way up to Scotland as well, where there'll be another video here on Adventure Sean. But yeah, there you go, the Angel of the North. I'll show you a few more shots of it and have another look at the fact board and get some official statistics on it for you. It really is an incredible structure to come and see, and like I say, nice and easy to park up just there and walk over to it. It only takes a couple of minutes. And yeah, the structure itself, like I say, 66 foot tall is the exact height of this one. Looks a lot bigger in photos, and when you actually have a picture down the bottom looking up, I mean, we've just done some photos where we stood at the top just here and obviously took the picture from right down the bottom. It does make it look a lot bigger in the photos. But yeah, it's also got a wingspan. The exact wingspan of it from the end there right to the other end is 177 feet. So that's from here all the way across the middle of the structure. And you might just be able to tell if I move a little bit further up this way that the wings on the Angel of the North have actually tilted a little bit. They're actually tilted 3.5 degrees forward. And that's just to create like a sort of bit of embrace really and sort of bring you into it a bit more. I mean, it's nice. I really like it. It's a great structure to see. And there you go, that's pretty much our little vlog here from the Angels of the North. Just thought it'd be worth coming to see it whilst we're up here. Like I say, keep watching the various other videos here on Adventure Sean and over on the main channel, Theme Park Worldwide. And yeah, that leaves me with one more thing to say. Get out there and have your own adventures. See you soon.